Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty with AskKeen.com with a driving video. I'm actually driving right now. Right now I'm driving to DC as this car shakes a little bit. I apologize for that, but you know, it's an hour drive from where I gotta go to meet a friend of mine. Haven't seen him since I got married almost 3 years ago. And we're gonna meet up and get a drink and come on back home, you know, just get out of town for an hour or so. But in this video, you know, I won't go over. I did a video a long time ago on, you know, when you live 4 to 5 minutes away from work, or you live 35 minutes from work, or where you gotta go. I'm making a video now while I'm driving. So I'm making a video right now while I'm driving. So there's no, you know, if I was writing a blog post, I came in and do the text, the speech, and did it that way. So in this video, while it's a long drive, I want to talk about my journey, my story while I'm driving. This is an hour-long drive. It's not gonna be an hour-long video. I want to talk about my story. Who am I? So my name is Tyrone, and maybe, I believe 4 to 5 years ago, I wanted to make money online. So, you know, when you start something new like that and making money online, they got hundreds, thousands of programs that would teach you how to make money online. But it's hard to do it because there's so many programs and there's so much social media out there. There's so many social media platforms that you can make money from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and there are programs dedicated to that platform. There's hundreds of programs about blogging, paid traffic, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, and it gets very difficult sometimes to find what you want to do. So my first product I probably bought was Google Sniper. And Google Sniper just taught you how to create websites. You write 3 blog posts about a clickbait product or a product. You buy a domain name with the same product name, and you write 3 posts, and you get ranked. And that didn't work because Google updated and they penalized those type of sites. So I bought a bunch of courses on how to make money online with YouTube, how to make money online with this, and make money with Facebook. And I tried Facebook ads, and Facebook ads are so strict on what you can and can't do. So Facebook ads to me are the worst because they can ban you and you don't know why. And I apologize that the video is really shaky. Try to hold it some. So they can actually ban you if you know, for no reason. So Facebook is my least favorite traffic source. So I've been through Facebook. I had GetResponse email service, and they banned me because I got too many spam complaints. I had 500 people on my list. I was buying traffic somewhere else, and they banned me. I'm like, I've been through the ringer. I've been through a lot of programs, and on this 4th year journey, I made a little bit of money online, not a bunch, a little bit, $30 here, $20 here, some YouTube ad revenue, not no high ticket stuff, not yet. So I've been through the ringers. I could teach someone how to make money online, so I learned a lot during my process, and I do a video a day in my car while I'm at work, and I talk about blogging, you know, stuff to avoid that I should have avoided a long time ago. So I do all this because I want the next person who wants to do it, I want that 4 years to be 2 years, or limit half the mistakes I made. So I'm gonna do a video about blogging. You know, what's my 2 biggest mistakes? You know, I should start a blog from day one. You know, so my story, I joined Mobe. Now look up what Mobe is. Go to Google, type in Mobe, and Mobe was a training program. Saw the camera really rocky and roll shaky. Mobe, stay with my online business empire. I joined Mobe late because they high commission ticket sales and they had a sales team to close your deals for you. And I joined Mobe and spent money on Mobe, and Mobe got shut down. So every twist I turn, I try a product, it doesn't work, stuff gets shut down. So I got my money back for that, thank God. But that's been my journey for so long. For so long, that's been my journey. And Mobe, what they have teaching, they have coaching. You have a 21-step coach, and they'll teach you how to make money online, and program traffic, and be a platinum member, and be a diamond member, and all the perks you get with all that stuff. And I ended up doing. The sad thing is, I joined them in, I've got February, March, or April, one of those months, and they shut down that June. So I joined in April. Excuse me. I wanted to really change my life. I really wanted to be successful online, have a business. I really did. So and I invested time into that program. And I paid traffic, and I got people signed into Mobe. I had 4 people signed to Mobe until that June they shut down. They shut everything down. So I was like, I can't promote this no more. I have 4 people inside of it with the free stuff, and it might become customers with Mobe. So it was hard. It was hard. It was difficult. And I've been through a lot of growing pains. And like I said before, I'm gonna reiterate what I made a long time ago. The biggest mistake. With all the failures I had, with the I've been on YouTube since 2014. I've been on YouTube in 2014, off and on. I didn't get 1,000 subscribers until 2019. February 2019 is when I got 1,000 subscribers. 5 years. 5 years later, now I'm an affiliate partner. Now I can advertise my videos. 5 years later. That's a long time. That's a long time to be making videos for 5 years. And now I'm finally can make money off my videos. Put AdSense on it. So I've been through a lot. The one thing I've learned, if I had to start over again, if I could go back in time 4 years, and I was that guy buying products and programs, if I could go back in time right now, I would tell myself, look, start the blog, start the YouTube channel right now. Don't worry about paid traffic. Don't worry about affiliate programs. Don't worry about Mobe. Don't worry about Google Sniper. Write a blog. Get your frequency, the right content for your blog. Write 3 posts a week and do a video on YouTube channel. Now, back then, 2014, I did a video here and there. Never took it serious. I did a video here and there. Didn't do it like I'm doing it every day now. But, that's what I did. So I won't take it. I took it seriously since 2 years ago. So I take it seriously. So thank you for subscribing to my channel, but it took a long time. So my journey wasn't quick. Now, some people get on YouTube 8 months later, they're popping. It took me 5 years to get 1,000 subscribers to my channel. 5 years to get there. Okay, so like I said, if I go back in time right now, 5 years ago, I would tell my younger self, yo, start the blog, do a blog post every single day, or do 3 blog posts per week. Don't worry about affiliate programs. Don't worry about buying traffic. Don't worry about email marketing. Get your blog getting traffic. Get your blog posts getting ranked. So I would tell myself, do 3 blog posts per week and do a video every single day. Everybody's slowing down here. Make a video every single day. And that's why I should have done a long time ago and I didn't do it. Now, if I would have done that 4 years ago, if I would have made 3 blog posts per week in 2014, 5 years later, how big would the blog be today? how big my channel will be today. I'll do a video a day. The 365 days a year. So you talk about over 3,000, 5,000 YouTube videos. Just guessing. You know, that's what I'm saying. But, you know, so the moral of the story is this: I create videos to help people eliminate that problem. If you want to online business and want to make money online, you need two things. Don't worry about paid traffic. You know, get an email service is great. You should get one. I use Aweber. I link below the video for Aweber. If my field link, I appreciate if you get it. But if I was brand new, especially if you're young, I would start a blog right now. Start a blog right now. The first thing, I'm going to tell you why. Start a blog in the hand of the camera. Start a blog right now. Start a YouTube channel right now. And continue to create content. I'm going to tell you why. Because it is so easy to make money when you have traffic. See, making money online is not hard. It's very simple. You need a product and you need traffic. And that traffic should be people who's looking for that program. It's just traffic. If you get 300,000 people in a product, you'll make some money. It's all about that traffic. Okay? So the problem is that you start trying to make money online, you have no traffic. And then you buy traffic. Okay, you don't make money on the front end, you don't make money on the back end with emails. And then it takes so long to do it. And yeah, it costs you money, it costs you time. So my thing is this. My suggestion to anybody, you want that free traffic. You want that blog. Because that blog takes a year to build up. Let's just be honest with you. It takes a year to get some serious traffic. If you invest a year to a blog and do 3-4 posts per week and invest a year in a YouTube channel, do that video a day, you'll be successful. And I'm going to put it this way. If I started a blog 3-4 years ago, did 3-4 posts a week, YouTube video a week, I've been way better off now. I will make more money. I will have more content on my blog, my YouTube channel, more people coming to the blog, all that good stuff. So that's the moral of the story is don't waste your time. You know, it's okay to get programs. It's okay to learn the programs. But you must learn you need traffic. There's only paid traffic and free traffic. That is it. Either you're going to build a blog and get free traffic and a YouTube channel or social media, or you're going to pay for it. There are two ways to get traffic, only two ways. Both of them are equally fine. I like both of them. But who knows? You know, who knows? So that's what I would do. You know, so, and that's it for my video. And that's it for the video. And again, that's my story. I'll recap my story. And in the beginning of the video, I talked about creating content. I'm driving right now. I'm creating content. There's no reason why if you live 35, 40 minutes away from your job, you could create a YouTube video or write a blog post. You could have your phone out, text to speech on, and you could talk to your phone and write blog posts for you. You know what I'm saying? If you live 15 minutes away or 10 minutes away, and you get an hour-long lunch break, go home and create you some videos and go back home. If you get 30 minutes, go sit in your car and create you a video. And this video is really shaky. This video is not the best quality. The sun's going down, it's getting dark outside. Not the best video. It's my first time doing the video while I'm driving. Not the best video. But the message is that you could do it. You could create content all the time. There's no reason why you can't create content. I know one quick story. I know Gary Vee recently was doing a show or a speech, and he got there a little early, so he had maybe 35 minutes to spare. So what he did was, since he has 30 minutes of free time, he created a video. He created some content while he had that free time. Now, he didn't have to. He could have sat there and chill for 30 minutes, call family, friends, what's up. But he chose 30 minutes to make content that lasts forever online. That's what he did. So there's no reason why you can't create content whenever you can. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. of my story, of my long journey, and the journey is still going. I'm just documenting it and doing a video about everything I learned to help people cut that time short to online businesses. So that's the end of my story, end of my video. I'm sorry the quality is not as great. I apologize if it's shaky because of the road, but my name is Ty from SKey.com. Visit my blog. And if you want to get AWeber for email service, that link down below. If you want to get free affiliate marketing training, that's not BS training. How to become a super affiliate in 100 days and quit your job. I have a link to that as well. If you want to make money with YouTube, I have a link to that as well. Visit my blog, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like the video, helps me out a lot. Excuse me, and I'll see you on the next episode.